If your dental practice relies on Google Ads to keep your schedule full, you need to watch this video right now. Because starting this month, Google is slowly phasing out call-only ads. If you've been running those simple ads where a patient clicks a button and immediately dials your front desk, well, that ad type is effectively dead. Google has shifted everything to responsive search ads with call assets. And if you don't update your campaigns, two things could happen. One, your ads might stop serving. But two, even worse, they'll run and just send traffic to your website instead of generating phone calls, potentially killing your conversion rate. But don't worry, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this in your Google Ad account. And to give you quick context, Google wants its AI to control who sees your ads, how you're targeting. The old call-only ads were just too rigid. The new standard is what they refer to as responsive search ads, or RSA. So let's go to the next screen and I'll walk you through how to set up responsive search ads with the call-only assets. All right, everyone, so we are back inside our Google Ad account now, and we're going to look at how we can add that call-only asset to your responsive search ads. So when you log into your Google Ad account, you'll look something like this, hopefully not with zeros, but with actual numbers. And in the left-hand menu, you're going to look for that assets dropdown. So click on assets, that will open up all the different kinds of assets that you can have. And what we're going to do is add a call asset. So you're going to click on that plus sign, click on the calls, which of course encourage calls to your business, and then you're going to be able to add it to the entire account, or you can specify a specific campaign. So if you're using different tracking numbers, then you can have a different call asset per campaign. So in this example, we're just going to add it to the account. We're going to create new. We just simply add our number in and then click on save. And you'll notice it'll add the call association to all of our responsive search ads. If you want to stay ahead of updates like this without spending hours reading marketing blogs, well, make sure you subscribe to this channel right now. We break down the most important dental marketing news every single month so you can focus on your patients, not your ad settings. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell so you don't miss the next Code Red update, and I'll see you in the next video.